Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, and it's Wednesday the 5th, or 11th, excuse me, December 11th. Slow day today, so we got no economic news releases report today. Tomorrow will be some bigger ones, so stay prepared for tomorrow with the retail sales and weekly jobless claims. So we'll go right to the headline news. Stock market ended up down, all primarily due to budget deal being passed. Why is that a negative? Well, at this point, any good news is actually considered a negative, primarily because the Fed will be meeting next week with the FOMC, and all talk has been about tapering of the quantitative easing. So what that means is that they will basically, they've been kind of printing their own free money, so to speak. So Wall Street, of course, has been going on a tear since then, and now that they might be cutting back on that, there's concerns that maybe the market might go through a correction. Bond market has been pulling back as a result because there's less demand. And what does that mean for in our section here is interest rates. So less demand, bond market goes down. That means interest rates rise. So we're starting to see a rise in the interest rates, which is to be expected in 2014. To expect to see maybe interest rates in the fives at some point as well. And that's what when the Frank Northaft had. Freddie Mac had basically had mentioned he expects 2014 to see in the 5% range. So speaking of such, we're going to jump over here, and today we closed down 34 base points. So basically, rates have worsened today as a result. So obviously not a very good sign right there. So that means, like I said, rates have worsened a little bit. We're down to 99.65. We went through the floor, which we did basically last Friday when we had made some gains. Now we kind of lost some of those gains. So kind of have to wait and see if we can get some of that back tomorrow with some of the news that will be coming out. And then Friday, of course, we got the inflationary news. Not a big market mover, as primarily because they look primarily at the inflation on the consumer level, because even though there might be costs going up on the wholesale side, it doesn't always get passed on to the consumer. So that's why it's not as important, but they do watch it and kind of gauge it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.